We have heard it all. You cannot build your own house, you have no experience. You need to get a loan, hire professionals, wait for them. Well, we are here to prove that wrong. In this video we show you all you need to know to build the structure of a house, in less than 5 minutes, how much it costed us, and why we chose light steel framing instead of a container or regular wood framing. There is no time to waste. Let's go! We made 9 concrete footings. Mark their position with lines. Reuse wood pallets to make the forms. Bought 1 steel centimeter rebars for the footing cages. Mix the concrete by hand. 1 part of cement, 2 parts of sand, 3 parts of gravel. Water. Pour the concrete, and embedded an anchor bolt in each footing right after pouring concrete. We built a raised steel platform as a floor, which made the whole building self-supporting in case that we want to move it in the future. First, we built the 2 side beams, that are composed of 2 joists and 2 tracks screwed together every 20 centimeters. Then slided 11 joists through a track that will go in the middle, and screw all the joists to the side beams using L angles. With the platform perfectly square, we bolted it to the footings using a pressure washer and 2 nuts. We sheeted it with 18mm thick tongue and groove OSB. You can use 3/4 of an inch plywood. We glued underneath and also screw every 40 centimeters. We built all the walls on the floor and stood them up from the platform, secure it to the beams underneath going through the subfloor, and braced them to make them perfectly vertical. The house will have a loft area with a bed that will be resting on the rear wall and the interior partition wall. We built the main door header, the interior wall, and the loft structure, and sheeted it up with 12mm OSB. You can use half an inch plywood. It took us only 2 days to complete this part. We started by making a template with the roof angle, made the first truss as an example, and took the dimensions to start making the other 10 in chain. Install the ones on top of the loft area first, and then we moved from the center of the house to the front. Total time for this part was only 2.5 days. Total time for the whole build, 10 days. Many of you have asked why we went with light steel framing instead of a container or a regular wood framing house. Versus container, we find many advantages. It is cheaper per square meter. Lighter, you can have 100% custom dimensions, custom height, pitch roof, easier transportation, etc. Versus wood framing, steel is lighter, stronger, about the same price or even cheaper. Perfectly straight. Also, it does not rotten. Material cost for this project up to this stage. Foundation material: sand, gravel, cement, and rebars, 70 euros, 85 US dollars. All steel and OSB delivered to us, 1,700 euros, around 2,000 US dollars. Screws, screw bits, drill bits, and all other miscellaneous, around 50 euros, 60 US dollars. Total cost for this structure, 1,820 euros, around 2,150 US dollars. We will continue sharing costs of each part of the project in future videos. Hope this video inspires someone to start building the life they dream. Don't measure yourself by what people think you can do. Step outside of your comfort zone. Discover what you're capable of by yourself. Take risks, and we will be standing right by your side.